For centuries, humans have gazed up at the night sky and wondered, could we ever call another planet home? That red dot twinkling in the darkness, Mars, might hold the answer to humanity's greatest question. But this isn't science fiction anymore. Right now, in laboratories and research facilities around the world, scientists are working on the greatest challenge humanity has ever faced: establishing a permanent, self-sustaining colony on Mars. The numbers are absolutely staggering and sobering. Mars sits 140 million miles away at its closest approach to Earth, a distance that makes our moon seem like a next-door neighbor by comparison. The journey alone would take 6 to 9 months using current rocket technology, during which astronauts would face cosmic radiation exposure, significant bone and muscle loss, and psychological stress unlike anything experienced in human history. Once there, colonists would encounter an environment so hostile and unforgiving, it makes the most extreme locations on Earth look like comfortable vacation spots. Picture this nightmare scenario: surface temperatures averaging minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, with brutal winter lows dropping to minus 195 degrees Fahrenheit. The atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide with barely 1% oxygen, not nearly enough to sustain human life for even a few minutes. Deadly cosmic radiation bombards the surface daily because Mars completely lacks the protective magnetic field that shields us here on Earth. Massive dust storms can engulf the entire planet for months at a time, blocking out the weak sunlight and making solar power completely unreliable. The soil itself contains toxic chemicals called perchlorates that would poison any attempt at traditional agriculture. Yet despite these seemingly impossible odds and challenges, organizations like SpaceX, NASA, Blue Origin, and space agencies worldwide are not just dreaming about Mars colonization. They're actively designing, building, and testing the revolutionary technology to make it happen within our lifetimes. Elon Musk's revolutionary Starship rocket system is specifically designed to carry 100 people per trip to Mars, with ambitious plans for regular cargo deliveries every 26 months when the planets align. NASA's groundbreaking MOXIE experiment aboard the Perseverance rover has already successfully proven we can extract breathable oxygen directly from the thin Martian atmosphere. Underground ice deposits discovered through orbital surveys and ground-penetrating radar could provide the massive amounts of water necessary for drinking, growing food, manufacturing, and producing rocket fuel for return trips to Earth. If you want to follow this incredible journey of human ingenuity, determination, and our species' greatest adventure into the cosmos, hit that subscribe button right now and join us as we explore whether Mars could truly become humanity's second home. Let's step into the daily reality of a Mars colonist in the year 2050, based on current scientific projections and technological developments happening right now in research facilities across the globe. Your day begins inside a pressurized habitat module, most likely built deep underground or covered with several meters of Martian soil to provide essential protection from the constant bombardment of deadly cosmic radiation that would kill you within hours of unprotected exposure. Every single system around you is working overtime to keep you alive in this completely alien environment. Sophisticated atmospheric processors are continuously converting poisonous carbon dioxide to breathable oxygen through advanced chemical reactions. Cutting-edge water recycling systems are purifying every precious drop from human waste and atmospheric moisture with 99.9% efficiency, and carefully maintained hydroponic farms are growing your food in specially treated Martian soil that's been painstakingly cleaned of toxic perchlorates through complex chemical processes. When you venture outside for essential maintenance work, scientific research, or exploration missions, you're completely encased in a full-pressure suit that's essentially a personal spacecraft, constantly monitoring your oxygen levels, internal temperature, radiation exposure, and vital signs through advanced sensors. You move through this alien landscape in gravity that's only 38% of Earth's strength, creating unique challenges for human physiology. At first, this reduced gravity might seem liberating and fun, allowing you to jump higher and carry heavier loads with surprising ease. But over extended periods, your muscles begin to weaken significantly, and your bones lose critical density at alarming rates. Serious medical problems that colonists must constantly counteract through rigorous daily exercise regimens lasting several hours, and possibly advanced medical treatments including drug therapy. The social and psychological dynamics would be unlike anything in human history or anthropological studies conducted on Earth. Early Mars colonies might house just a few hundred carefully selected and psychologically screened individuals, meaning everyone's survival depends absolutely on perfect cooperation, shared technical expertise, and remarkable emotional stability under extreme stress. There's simply no room for serious interpersonal conflict, mental breakdown, or social discord when your nearest backup and rescue possibility is literally millions of miles away across the cold vacuum of space, with rescue missions taking years to organize and execute. But here's what makes this extraordinary vision genuinely achievable. Leading aerospace engineers, planetary scientists, and space medicine experts believe the core technology for sustainable, self-sufficient Mars colonies could exist and be thoroughly tested within the next 20 to 30 years through accelerated development programs.